Even at the microscopic level, reproduction is far more sophisticated than we were once taught. The traditional idea describes fertilization as a frantic race where millions of sperm compete and the fastest one wins. But modern science tells a very different story. It's not just about speed or luck. Instead, fertilization involves a highly coordinated process of interaction, signaling, and biological selection. Rather than being passive, the egg plays an active and powerful role in determining which sperm gets the chance to create new life. When sperm enter the female reproductive system, they begin an incredibly difficult journey. Out of millions released, only a tiny fraction survive the harsh conditions and make it anywhere near the fallopian tubes. Many are filtered out along the way due to environmental challenges, timing, and biological barriers. At the same time, after ovulation, the egg travels into a specific region of the fallopian tube known as the ampula. This is the most common site where fertilization occurs, setting the stage for a highly selective encounter.
The egg's lifespan is surprisingly short, usually lasting only 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. During this brief window, the egg and its surrounding cells release chemical signals that indicate readiness for fertilization. These signals act almost like a biological invitation. However, not all sperm respond equally to these cues. Only certain sperm are capable of detecting and reacting to these signals effectively, making timing and compatibility just as important as movement and endurance. This is where the idea of selective dating comes into play. The egg is not simply waiting for any sperm to arrive. Instead, it appears to favor sperm that are more genetically compatible. Research suggests that the chemical signals released by the egg may attract some sperm more strongly than others. In a way, it's like a biological filtering system, guiding the most suitable candidates toward the final stage of fertilization.
One of the key factors in this selection process involves genetic compatibility, particularly within immune system genes known as MHC, major histocompatibility complex. Greater diversity in these genes can lead to stronger immune systems in offspring. Because of this, the egg may be more chemically attracted to sperm that offer better genetic complementarity. This means the winner is not necessarily the fastest sperm, but the one that best matches the egg's genetic profile. When a sperm finally reaches the egg, the process becomes even more complex. The sperm must penetrate the egg's outer protective layer, called the zona pellucida. To do this, it undergoes the acrosome reaction, releasing specialized enzymes while using strong tail movements to push forward. But even reaching this stage does not guarantee success. True fertilization depends on precise molecular interactions between the sperm and the egg's membrane.
If the right sperm successfully fuses with the egg, an immediate and dramatic change occurs. The egg undergoes a rapid chemical transformation that hardens its outer layer, instantly blocking all other sperm from entering. This ensures that only one sperm fertilizes the egg, preventing multiple fertilizations that could lead to non-viable outcomes. This moment marks the true beginning of a new genetic identity. Despite how advanced and selective this system is, it is not perfect. The egg can only evaluate external signals and compatibility at a limited level. A sperm may appear strong and suitable, yet still carry hidden genetic mutations or recessive disease traits. These cannot always be detected during fertilization, which is why biological selection reduces risks but cannot eliminate them entirely.
In some cases, both the sperm and egg may be completely healthy, yet errors can still occur during the fusion process or in the earliest stages of cell division. These small glitches can affect development in ways that are beyond the control of natural selection. Biology, after all, operates within limits and probabilities rather than guarantees. Ultimately, evolution does not aim for perfection, it aims for survival. The egg selective process significantly increases the chances of producing healthy offspring, but it cannot ensure flawless outcomes. Interestingly, if the egg were too selective, fertilization might not happen at all. Balance is key, and nature operates within that delicate balance to sustain life across generations.
Folks are receiving second impressions of Chris Lyrap during the opening hours of court today. He faced a year in prison for disobedience of court Tuesday in a ruling that allows businesses to refuse service to women who will decline to support abortion. Balance is key, and nature operates within that delicate balance to sustain life across generations. To listen to audio uncuts of Shinomesi reference at the source. Biology, after all, operates within limits and probabilities rather than guarantees. Ultimately, evolution does not aim for perfection. It aims for survival. The egg selective process significantly increases the chances of producing healthy offspring, but it cannot ensure flawless outcomes. Interestingly, if the egg were too selective, fertilization might not happen at all. Balance is key, and nature operates within that delicate balance to sustain life across generations.